How's it going, guys? David J. Woodbury here, top affiliate and entrepreneur. I just wanted to talk a little bit about YouTube and ranking videos, getting those views that you really want to grow your channel. I've been seeing a lot of channels utilizing tags, descriptions, titles, and everything to do with their channel, most of the time in the wrong way. So I just wanted to shoot this quick video and offer you guys a solution to get more views and start growing that subscriber base that you guys are really looking for on YouTube. It doesn't matter what kind of niche you're in, there's always these strategies that work. And one of the real quick strategies I want to talk about is viral hacking. And what viral hacking in my book is when you actually take something that is trending or very popular, and then you go ahead and create content around it as soon as possible, and then you upload it online. And what happens is these algorithms inside of YouTube and Google and Facebook, if you're on Facebook, will actually start to push your content. I specialize in YouTube SEO and ranking. I've been able to generate hundreds of thousands of dollars and help several hundred students go through my course and teach them how to start ranking their videos and get the views that they really want to grow their channel. So I just wanted to extend this offer to you guys. I'm going to be discounting my YouTube ranking masterclass back to the original launch price of just $39. No monthly fees, you get lifetime access, tons of videos on there, and I continue to do updates on the course itself and inside of my Facebook group, which you'll get access as well. So go ahead and check the link, go ahead and click that link around this video somewhere and take advantage of that offer. I'm not sure how long I'll keep this one live, but I want to get as many people in here as possible to start growing their YouTube channels. Like I said, I've noticed a lot of people utilizing things wrong, even some of the bigger YouTubers that could grow their followings even more exponentially by using some of the simple strategies that I teach. So go ahead, click that link. I will see you on the inside. Take care.